Let's talk about what gives cryptocurrency its value and how you guys can use cryptocurrency to get ahead in life. So, cryptocurrency value stems from various factors, including blockchain technology, scarcity of certain crypto coins, and the market sentiment and current conditions, such as laws being passed, news, etc. Grasping these concepts are going to be crucial for investors and enthusiasts to navigate this rapidly evolving financial landscape effectively. Let's talk about it. So, one, okay, so the first factor that's really going to go ahead and affect the value of a cryptocurrency or a stock is going to be what's called market cap. Okay. So market cap is going to be the number that pretty much tells you how valuable something is. Okay. So the Bitcoin market cap, for example, is in the trillions. Okay. A lot of the coins are in the billions. Okay. So the higher the market cap something is, means the higher value it has. Okay. So just keep it simple. Higher the market cap, the more value something has. But if you do get in something like a stock or cryptocurrency with a low market cap and then the market cap goes up while you caught it at the lows, then you could actually make significantly way more profit versus just buying a higher market cap. Okay, but not saying that that's always going to be the best decision, because higher market cap cryptocurrencies, altcoins, and meme coins are going to move a lot more steady, and they have a lot higher chance of breaking into new all-time highs and continuing up to the uptrends. So key concepts in cryptocurrency valuation. So blockchain technology underpins cryptocurrency, and then ensures transparency and security in transactions. So let's talk about the blockchain here. The blockchain is going to be a web system. So think of the blockchain like a bank account system, but strictly just for cryptocurrency. So it's pretty much going to have a chain of confirmation codes and addresses showing whether or not your transaction has been completed from one person to the other. Okay. And in crypto, that's where you guys are going to hear the term P2P, and that's peer-to-peer, person-to-person transaction. So crypto works, no middleman. And the blockchain technology is how everything operates with that. And the scarcity of assets drives demand, as limited supply enhances perceived value. Okay. So let's say Bitcoin, for example, okay, BTC, there's only 21 million Bitcoin. Okay. And as of 2025, August, I believe there's only about 1.5 million Bitcoin left to be mined. Okay. So Bitcoin has to be mined, meaning that computers are mining Bitcoin with POWs, with power, and every single Bitcoin that's ever existed has been mined by a computer. So they're exchanging energy for Bitcoin. Okay. And there's a limited amount. So that's why the reason why government bodies, hedge funds, and people are buying millions and millions and millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin is because there's a limited amount and people want to pretty much hoard the virtual diamonds. Okay. And utility in the market, okay, its uses. Okay, so Bitcoin, well, the reason why it's valuable is because it's a limited resource. Take Solana, for example. The reason why Solana is very useful is because you need Solana in order to trade meme coins. You cannot trade meme coins without Solana. So that's where Solana has its value. Okay, and then there's going to be Dogecoin used for other things like that. Okay, so utility in the market determines how cryptocurrencies can be used, which influences their overall worth. Okay, so before you just buy cryptocurrency, make sure that it has some use, or if you guys are going to buy a meme coin, at least make sure it's funny. Okay, make sure it has some value, look at the market cap, do some research on it, and understand everything overall. And understanding blockchain technology. So the core innovation behind cryptocurrency success. Okay, so the blockchain technology serves as the foundation for cryptocurrencies, providing a decentralized, and decentralized means that it's on its own system, no middleman, no bank accounts needed, just its own system for peer-to-peer, person-to-person transactions. Okay, that enhances transparency and security. This innovative system enables peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries, ensuring data integrity and fostering user trust in the digital currency ecosystem. Okay, so say for instance, if you're trying to send $1 million from Africa to India, okay, it's not going to be the easiest. Bank accounts aren't going to be the same, and routing numbers aren't going to be the same, and stuff like that. Okay, and say for instance, something like PayPal, it's not going to let you easily do that. But through Bitcoin, you could easily go ahead and send $1 million from one person to the other, just easily using their wallet address. Okay? And make sure that the wallet address is correct, because if even the wallet address is off by one letter, or one character or one number, okay, then the funds could be lost within the crypto cyberspace forever. Okay, so be careful when you're sending large amounts of crypto or sending in small amounts at a time, and just take your time. Okay, so scarcity's role and value. Let's explore how limited supply influences demand in cryptocurrencies. So cryptocurrencies often have a cap on total supply, which affects the scarcity of it. So that's why people are trying to invest. This is why people are quick to buy the lows. And this is why people are hoarding up cryptocurrencies, because some of them have limited resources, such like Bitcoin. There's not an infinite amount of every single crypto. And that's going to go ahead and give us an increased demand. As availability decreases, demand often rises, driving up prices. Okay, so availability, when it goes down, demand is going to rise. Okay, that's the difference between supply and demand. So run up your paper, stack your bread, and get in some cryptocurrencies before there's no. Okay, when market perception, scarcity enhances perceived value, impacting investor sentiment and interest. Okay, so look at how many coins are left. Determine your budget off of that. Determine if it's going to be a good buy. Okay, because the more rare and the more of a limited resource, the more of a demand it's going to have within the future. So just put that logical perspective together and use that within your investment strategies. Inshallah. So increased user adoption. As more users engage, value increases exponentially due to greater demand and usage. So trading is becoming more popular. Laws are getting passed within the United States. Countries, government bodies all around the world have been buying cryptocurrencies as well. Okay, so as crypto becomes more popular, as crypto increases in popularity, as crypto increases in security, meaning that people aren't going to feel like they're just going to lose their money, due to the fact that there's laws, security, and stuff in place in order to make sure that they get their money securely, then the value of crypto is going to go up. Okay, so successful examples: established networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum show significant growth with increased participation. So once again, as government bodies buy, as more and more people buy, as millionaires buy, as more and more people stack up, then people are going to be trusted in order to invest as well, leading to a higher market cap. Okay, so the more people in and stock, cryptocurrency, or something like that, the higher the market cap is going to be and the more valuable something to be. Okay, the market dynamic and network effects lead to higher market value, driven by user confidence and growing legitimacy. Okay, so once again, stuff on the internet, if you see a powerful person, Elon Musk, start a crypto coin, people are going to feel more secure in the market. So use your network, stuff on the news and stuff like that is also going to give people more security in buying, which is going to increase the value and increase the chance that the crypto is going to increase in price, thus meaning that, inshallah, if God wills, you'll be able to make some profit depending on where you bought at. Make sure you're not buying at all-time highs. Okay, chart is like this. Okay, current price is up here. Don't buy. Wait till price goes down. Buy it here, and then take it back up. Firm at the resistance, and then hold for a breaker. Okay, so try and just buy the dips if possible. Okay, market sentiment and security in cryptocurrency. Market sentiment plays a crucial role in determining pricing in cryptocurrency, and emotional factors paired with the importance of security foster trust and maintain value, influencing investors' decision in market dynamics. They like in earlier years when people didn't really trust crypto, it just ended up going downward, downward, downward. But now laws are being passed, and now we're on an uptrend, breaking new all-time highs. Okay, so the more secure people feel in something, the more that people are going to feel more comfortable to dump profit into it, dump millions into it, dump value into it. Okay, thus meaning that the market cap's going to increase once again, and higher chance for price to continue to new all-time highs since new investors are coming in consistently. So make your move. So real world applications of cryptocurrencies. So what's crypto used for? Mainly used for borderless payments, and it enables quick transactions across countries and across the world quickly. Okay, so if you try to send like $1 million with PayPal, it might get locked, it might get frozen. They might think you're doing something illegal, even though you're not. With cryptocurrency, you can easily get that, withdraw it from your broker, and then you'll be able to get your money in your hands. Okay, so that's why crypto has a lot of value. Okay, so crypto is not a scam. It really lets you easily send money from one country to the other, one person to another, even if you're in the same country, just easily, without any restrictions, without any hold, and you can easily go spend your bread. Especially there's a lot of crypto brokers, Coinbase, for example, that actually do have a card where you can go spend the cryptocurrency instead of having to withdraw. Okay. And smart contracts automate processes, ensuring transparency and security in various industries. So once again, every single Bitcoin transaction or any crypto transaction that gets sent on the blockchain has to be confirmed. And that confirmation is going to go ahead and make sure that the crypto has been sent from one person to the other. And you can see if someone's lying to you if they haven't received it. If it's confirmed, most likely they got it. Okay. And DeFi, known for decentralized finance, it offers alternatives to traditional banking services and promoting financial inclusion. Okay, so decentralized finance means no middleman. If you do a wire transfer, the bank has to approve it. They can decline that. But on Bitcoin, or if you're just sending cryptocurrency from one person to another, there's nothing that can decline you. Everything is done on a decentralized network, but it still is secure. And tokenization allows asset representation on a blockchain and enhancing liquidity and ownership. Okay, so that's what crypto tokens are. And cryptocurrencies are being integrated into e-commerce, providing new payment options for consumers. So a lot of sites, a lot of real life companies are starting to use Bitcoin as an acceptable payment method. So as we can see, future, it is here to stay. Shalom. So may Allah bless you guys. Love you guys so much. Keep grinding. Don't ever give up. If you guys want to learn how to trade and grow your business, head over to stackmode.net. I'll give you guys a free trading mentorship call. You guys can catch my trades. You guys can learn how to grow your business, get my free ebook and course, and overall just show you guys how to stack this paper. I love you guys so much. Stay prayed up to God. Keep grinding. Don't ever give up. Don't ever think you can't do something. Okay? Stay prayed up to God. Keep trying. Keep grinding. Peace.